Operators. 1. Introduction. In C programming, operators are essential tools that allow us to perform operations on variables and values. They help us do calculations, make decisions, and manipulate data efficiently. Whether we're adding two numbers or checking a condition, operators are at the heart of it. Here's a list of the major types of operators in C. Arithmetic operators. Relational operators. Logical operators. Bitwise operators. Assignment operators. Increment and decrement operators. Conditional, ternary, operator. Sizeof and pointer operators. Typecasting. Operator precedence. Let's explore each of them in detail. 2. Arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used to perform basic mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. Example 1. Here, we are adding 5 and 3, which results in 8. Example 2. This divides 10 by 2, resulting in 5. Example 3. The modulus operator returns the remainder of 10 divided by 3, which is 1. 3. Relational operators. Relational operators help us compare two values. The result is either true, 1, or false, 0. Example 1. This checks if A and B are equal. Example 2. This checks if A is greater than B. Other relational operators include not equal, lower, greater or equal, and lower or equal, all of which are useful for making decisions in our programs. 4. Logical operators. Logical operators are used when we want to combine multiple conditions. Example. The logical AND operator is like double ampersand symbol. Here, the condition is only true if both conditions, x greater than 0 and x lower than 10, are true. The logical OR operator is like double vertical bar symbol that is true if at least one condition is true. Finally, the logical NOT operator reverses the truth value. 5. Bitwise operators. Bitwise operators allow operations directly on the binary representation of numbers. Example. Binary of 5 is 0101, and 3 is 0011. Bitwise AND gives 0001, which is 1. Bitwise operations are especially useful in embedded programming. 6. Assignment operators. Assignment operators let us assign or update values. Example. Here, x plus equal 5 means x equal x plus 5, so the new value of x is 15. Other compound assignment operators include minus equal, multiplication equal, division equal, and reminder equal. 7. Increment and decrement operators. These are shorthand ways to increase or decrease a value by 1. Example. When double plus comes before variables, this is a pre-increment and x is increased first, then printed. Example. When double plus comes after variables, this is a post-increment, it prints x first, 6, then increases x to 7. 8. Conditional, ternary, operator. This is a compact, if-else in a single line. Example. Here, the condition A greater than B is false, so the result is B, which is 20. 9. Sizeof and pointer operators. Sizeof gives the memory size of a data type. Example. The size of integer type variable is usually 4 bytes. Pointers. Here, ampersand x gives the address of x, and asterisk ptr gives the value at that address. 10. Typecasting operators. Casting converts a variable from one type to another. Example. Here, float, A converts A to a float, so the division gives a precise float result. 11. Operator precedence. Operator precedence determines the order of operations. Example. Here, multiplication happens before addition. But here we use parentheses to control the order. Mastering these operators gives you the foundation to write effective C code.